Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change an Eeco door handle. First, gather your essential tools, such as a Phillips head screwdriver and the new handle. Make sure the replacement handle matches your door's specifications. Safety is important, so consider wearing gloves to protect your hands throughout the process. Being prepared makes the job much smoother. Now, let's remove the old handle. Look for the two screws on the interior side of the handle plate and unscrew them. Once the screws are out, gently pull both halves of the handle away from the door. Finally, remove the latch mechanism from the door's edge. Keep all parts organized to avoid losing anything important. With the old handle removed, it's time to install the new one. First, slide the new latch mechanism into the hole on the door's edge and secure it with its screws. Next, align and attach the exterior handle, followed by the interior handle. Thread the connecting screws through the holes and tighten them using your screwdriver. Finally, let's test your new Eeco door handle. Turn the handle to ensure it operates smoothly and the latch retracts and extends properly. Open and close the door a few times to confirm everything works as it should. Double-check that all screws are tightened securely for safety and a firm installation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.